Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Activated Charcoal Teeth Whitening Toothpaste. Destroys bad breath, free tongue scraper cleaner, best natural black toothpaste kit, mint flavor, herbal decay treatment, removes coffee stains. The ingredient list does not label any of its contents as organic, not even the peppermint oil. What's worse is that it also lists sodium lauryl sulfate. Yes, it's misspelled, and negates its no sulfate claim. Really works. And flavor really isn't bad at all, not a strong taste like fluoride paste. Can't read one word on the product, but it really works well in cleaning and whitening. The package does not have English instructions, and inside the box there is nothing to go off either. He told me that the damage done to your enamel outweighs any possible benefits from charcoal toothpaste. In contrast, this toothpaste has a mint flavor, and tastes much better than the powder. After only a week things are already turning around, and her morning breath is virtually non-existent. The top of the container also snapped off, making it very difficult to close back up each time. It's not too hard to rinse out, and it was easy to rinse out the sink. The black mouth and extra rinsing is the drawback, but the flavor is decent, and teeth are clean. Though the toothpaste leaves you with a good and clean aftertaste unlike other toothpastes on the market. If you are someone that is prone to get canker sores, stay away from this product. On second tube, love it. Tried another brand when they were out of stock, don't like it compared to this brand. Excellent, looks gross, but doesn't taste bad, definitely leaves your mouth feeling clean and fresh. Ingredients from the packaging: sorbitol, hydrated silica, water, sodium lauryl sulfate, peppermint oil, cellulose scum, glycerin, sodium benzoate preservative, sodium pyrophosphate, saccharin sodium, clove oil, xanthan gum, bamboo charcoal extract, disodium eta, titanium dioxide. First off, the product came in a white smaller tube that says nothing about coconut on the tube. It has a great, mild mint flavor, and the texture reminds me of a baking soda toothpaste, but without the bitter taste of baking soda. El efecto de blanqueamiento no puede ser rápido así que sobre ese tema no opino, por ahora. The taste is better than all of them, and you have a more clean feeling in your mouth than the others. Outside of the fact that dealing with a black toothpaste, and the cleanup that follows, you can't have it all, which I have no problem with. This is an excellent product. Quiero creer que el proceso es lento y que dentro de unos días voy a notar mis dientes más blancos. It leaves your teeth clean, and is very gentle to your teeth. It does not feel grainy like the regular toothpaste. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.